Hey everyone, this is Abacus.com, and we wanted to cover a brief video on something that we call the addition 10 rule. The way this rule works is because we're adding numbers that are more than 10 or equal to 10, we have to be able to do so on an abacus. So in this instance, we're going to go over 4 examples, and we're going to start with our first one, 7 plus 4. So to begin, we're going to add our 7 first, as you can see on our abacus. 7 plus 4 is more than 10, so because it is, I need to start by adding a 10. Anytime I add a 10, I need to take something away as well. So in this instance, because 4 plus 6 equals 10, I need to take away 6. And my final answer will now become 11, as you can see down below. So I'm going to reset my abacus, and we're going to start on the next problem. This time it's 2 plus 8. So to begin, I'm going to add the 2 first. And now because 2 plus 8 equals 10, I still need to move a 10 for this. Remember, the 10 rule works for numbers that are more than 10 or equal to 10. Like in this instance, 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So because I added a 10, I need to take something away. 8 plus 2 equals 10, so I need to take away 2. My final answer is now 10, as you can see down below. So as I'm going to reset my abacus and move on to the next problem, the 10 rule can then be applied to more numbers as well, so long as they only need the 10. So in this instance, we have 4 plus 3 plus 6. I'm going to add the 4 first. Now I'm going to add the 3. In this case, 4 plus 3 does not equal 10, so I don't need to use the 10 rule this time. Because I know it equals 7, I'm going to show a 7 on the abacus. Now for the final number, 6. 7 plus 6 is more than 10. So in this case, I have to use the 10 rule. So I'm going to begin like before by adding a 10. And now because I added a 10, I need to take something away. 6 plus 4 equals 10, so I need to take away 4 from the 7. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. And because of that, my final answer is now 13, as you see down below. And for our final problem, we have 6 plus 4 plus 7 plus 9. The 10 rule can be used as many times as when you need to, and only when it's appropriate to do so. So in this case, we're going to start by adding the number 6. Now we're going to add the number 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, so we're going to move a 10 for this. So because we moved a 10, we need to take something away. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, so we need to take away 6. Now we're going to add a 7. Because we don't need to do so, we can just move a 7 right away. There is no 10 rule necessary for this one. And now for the final number, the 9. Because 7 plus 9 is more than 10, we have to move a 10 again. Remember, the 10 rule can be used as many times as when you need to, and only when appropriate to do so. Like in this case, I had to do it twice. So like before, because I added a 10, I need to take something away. 9 plus 1 equals 10, so I'm going to take away 1. Because of all of this, my final answer is now 26. Thank you for watching our brief demonstration video on the addition 10 rule. Tune in again next time, we'll cover more topics in more videos. Have a nice day, and until then.